Welcome to Brain Vision.
We'd like to determine the horizontal force. We're given our velocity of our exhaust as 1800 meters per second and our mass flow rate as 12 kilograms per second. We first need to find our horizontal force. Our change in momentum is m dot times v of our exhaust. Now our force is just equal to our change in momentum. So we could substitute our values. We have 12 kilograms per second times 1800 meters per second. We get a force of 21,600 newtons. So we found that the horizontal force that the support exerts on the engine is 21,600 newtons. We use that our force is our change in momentum, and we calculated this change in momentum.